Hello everyone. Physics is never a difficult subject for a student who is interested, provided he or she has a clear and strong physics teacher. So here I am, Mr. Dharanidhar, your favorite physics teacher in your favorite YouTube channel, Bhautics. So today I brought one more question to you, which was asked in the previous year board examinations for 3 marks in the question paper number 31/2/2. So this question is very interesting. See, it was asked very neatly and very logically. This is question paper, question number one only. This question has two parts. This is first part. Second part is also there. Both were asked for 3 marks. So the question goes like this. Image of an object formed by a mirror is real, inverted and is of magnification -1. If the image is a distance of 30 centimeters from the mirror, where is the object placed? Give reason to justify your answer. So understand the question. They are saying that image formed by a mirror is real, inverted and magnification is -1. So given that magnification is -1, the only mirror which can create magnification -1 is concave mirror. So we can say that they are using concave mirror there. Okay, we understood that the mirror is concave mirror. So in concave mirror ray diagrams, if you remember, when we get magnification -1, object and image will be at center of curvature only. Means object and image will be at the same distance. So the object also will be at 30 centimeters from the mirror. So first question what they asked, if the image is a distance of 30 centimeters from the mirror, where is the object placed? So the object is also placed at 30 centimeters from the mirror. They asked, give reason to justify your answer. This is very important. Justify. How will we justify this answer? How will we prove that the object distance also will be 30 centimeters only when magnification is -1? How to prove it? We know that in mirrors, the magnification formula will be m is equal to minus v divided by u. Correct? So what they gave magnification as -1. So instead of magnification -1, that is equal to minus V they gave as 30 centimeters. Correct? V they gave as 30 centimeters. So in concave mirror, when magnification is -1, V will be is equal to minus 30 centimeters divided by U. We have to find out the U now. So this minus cancels, it becomes plus. So what can you write? -1 is equal to 30 divided by U. I'll send this U this side, -1 this side. Then it becomes, it can be written as u is equal to 30 divided by -1. So what can we get? We will get, which implies u is equal to minus 30 centimeters. So u is the thing which represents the object distance. So u is 30 centimeters. So we can say that by this proof we can say that the object distance is also 30 centimeters. U is equal to minus 30 centimeters. Okay, this is the first part of the question. There is second part of the question also. Second part goes like this. Where would be the image if the object moved 15 centimeters towards the mirror? Draw a diagram to justify your answer. See, before case, object was at center of curvature, 30 centimeters center of curvature. So we can say that if the object is moved 15 centimeters towards the mirror, object will be placed at the focus. Correct? If the object is placed at focus, where will be the image formed? Image will be formed at infinity. So where would be the image if the object moved 15 centimeters towards the mirror? So if the object is moved 15 centimeters towards the mirror, new position of object will be focus, image will be formed at infinity. They asked to draw ray diagram to justify this answer. Okay, let us draw the ray diagram also. So let us draw this ray diagram by starting with taking a line first of all. First step in drawing all ray diagrams is to take a straight line of length 10 centimeters, right? Now at 5 centimeters mark one more point. This one will be focus, this one will be pole, this one will be center of curvature. Now take compass, Radius should be 10 centimeters. See, from here to here. Radius should be 10 centimeters. From center of curvature, yes. Radius is 10 centimeters. Draw an arc. Okay. Right. So now they give these small lines which represents the red oxide or silver nitrate that we paste on one side of the mirror. So now where should we place the object? We should place the object at focus. Take the height of the object as approximately 1.5 centimeters. Right? Is 1, now it is 1.5 centimeters. Object. We have to form the image now. After forming image, we have to prove that the image is formed at infinity. Okay. Take one light ray parallel to principal axis. Okay. Right. This point is coinciding. Yes, this point is also coinciding. So, yes, one light ray have taken parallel to principal axis. After reflection, when incident light ray passes parallel to principal axis, the reflected light ray will pass through the focus. So, make sure this point and the focus are coinciding, right? So this is the reflected light ray. We need one more light ray to form the image. Which shall we take? We can take obliquely through pole. We can't take through focus now, correct? We can't take through focus. Or else we can take through center of curvature also. I'll take obliquely through pole. Right. So this is the incident light ray. Now this one will be angle theta. Now our reflected light ray should go with the same angle. How do we measure the same angle? See here. This length is 1.5 centimeters, correct? You mark exactly 1.5 centimeters down. 1 point. From here 1.5. This point. Now if the reflected light ray goes through that point, then it will be making the same angle. See? How, sir? Why? Because see, this angle 90 degrees, this angle also 90. If you draw a line here, imagine a line here. If you imagine a line here, this triangle and this triangle will be similar triangles. See, because this length and this length is same. This is 90 degrees, this is 90 degrees. Correct? So what happens? We can say that similar triangles, this angle and this angle will be equal. So these two are the reflected light rays which we want. So now if you observe these two reflected light rays, they are moving parallel to each other. When the reflected light rays are moving parallel to each other, we say that they are going to meet at infinity. So the image is formed at infinity. This is how we justify the answer. Okay. Thank you so much. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you.